Hi, I'm Eli Wagner. I'm the Director of Standards and Practices, and you're here with me on set at Wheel of Fortune, one of the many game shows I get to work on. I decided to go to law school at USF because I wanted a fun, big city that was very different than LA. I'm born and raised in LA, but wanted a totally different experience. You are in the heart of Silicon Valley, you are in the heart of the tech world, you're also in the heart of one of the biggest melting pot cities in the world, and the fact that you can do whatever you want by being in San Francisco versus, a smaller city, those opportunities are endless. I ended up focusing on IP, intellectual property, just because I found it more interesting, and then after that I had a subcategory of entertainment law, and I actually wrote my thesis on the right of publicity. I think leveraging the connections that you can make through USF Law, whether it's through alumni or professors or fellow students, I think if you really encourage that and develop that, I think it could take you anywhere. I make sure that all the games are played fairly, accurately, and in a manner that's being represented to the public. What I love about that is that it's literally out of nowhere, something can just happen and we have to figure out what to do. You really can make your own path. Once you become a lawyer, I feel like there are so many doors that open for you, or you go open them yourself and make it happen. I'm Eli Wagner, and I graduated from the University of San Francisco School of Law in 2011.